Well, hey there. Welcome. I'm Shauna, and you have stumbled upon Witchcraft Now. I was going to simply post this as a picture with an update on my channel, but apparently you have to have like 1,000 subscribers in order to do that, and I had no idea. So I just want to thank all 27 of you for being here. This was supposed to have been our first craft together, and I recorded most of it without the camera being on, unfortunately, and you'll have to excuse the background noise. I'm standing outside because this is on my door. Brief overview of what I did. This is just willow branches wrapped around one another, and everything else came from Target, the wisteria, and then these came from the Target dollar spot, the little tulips. I don't know where I got the moss, but I just hot glued everything to it in big wads all the way around, and then took some string and went one way, tied a knot, and then went back out the other way to make sure that everything was pointing out instead of down or pointing crazy. And then I have a sigil that I made that invites love into the house. So yeah, this will not be the only craft though that will be coming up, I promise. I'm gonna go show you my altar now, okay? Hang on. Okay, so this is my Ostara altar, and of course I've got crafts, dreadlocks hanging over here. There's my basket wall, my coffee station, which needs to be cleaned out. I've been trying to recycle, so excuse the mess. This, if you have paid attention in any of my unboxings, this came with last month's unboxing. I just haven't utilized them yet. These little tulips, oh my god, they're so cute. And this is the little egg, the blue calcite egg that came in there as well. The rest of these came from the Target dollar spot last year, so I don't know if they're going to be in there this year. This little bunny came in there this year and will be utilized more. I think I might just have to keep him on my downstairs altar because I really think he's cute. This candle has got little bunny rabbits all over it, and it smells like carrots, and I can't remember, maybe apricots. It smells totally fabulous. Again, Target. Everything else I've just kind of gathered here and there. I have gemstones on my little triangle shelf, which again, Target dollar spot, can't live without it. But those reminded me of spring. Got my little bunnies for fertility and new growth. Of course, nothing can't be an altar without my little Buddhas everywhere. And he is holding my flower crown that I'm so in love with. He's wearing that today. So happy Ostara. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for hanging out with me. See you later. Bye.